In this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step way you can increase your income on YouTube, even if you have a small YouTube channel. So if you're someone who is running just a small channel, you're a beginner, you are even running it on your smartphone, this particular video is going to help you step by step. So let's get started. Now, before I take you to my screen, one thing you must understand is that if you are running your YouTube channel on your smartphone, it's different from running it from your laptop. I personally run from both laptop and the smartphone, so like I don't find it difficult like that. But the truth is, it's not everyone that is having a laptop or PC or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to take advantage of the smartphone so that those of you who don't have a laptop, you can still run your YouTube channel and make more money than you are making right now. So let's get started. Now, if you are running your channel on your smartphone, one of the things you mostly see is to have access to the YouTube Studio. For that one, you can download it from your App Store or your Play Store, and then you manage your YouTube contents from there. So if I open the studio right now, this is what almost all of us have now. So this is how the whole thing is going to be. But over here, you can't do a lot. But if you are running it on the PC, you can do a lot in the YouTube studio right there. But on the smartphone, you can't do that much. The things you can easily do is to maybe add tags, edit the videos, add thumbnails, and all that. But still, you can do more on the smartphone, and that's exactly what I'm coming to show you right now. So now, let me go off this screen. Now, one thing you have to do is to go to Google Chrome. Google Chrome on your smartphone, okay? Don't go to Google. Go to Google Chrome and then open the Google Chrome and search for YouTube Studio, okay? So if I search for YouTube, YouTube Studio, right? So if you search for YouTube Studio, here is an opportunity for you to sign in. You see sign in. So you can go ahead and tap on the sign in. All right, so guys, now if you can check, you can see that it has opened. So over here, this particular studio here will display stuffs exactly like how it would display on the desktop or on your laptop. So I want you to understand that. You can see that there's a difference. When I open the first one, when I open the first studio app, you can see that there's just few things to know, and I know most of you know about that already. But this here, there are a lot of things you can actually do here. So now our main focus here is to increase our income. So how can you increase your income? So one thing to do is to select the video. Maybe you've uploaded a video that is more than 8 minutes. You uploaded a video which is more than 8 minutes. So what you can easily do is to select that video. So let me go to videos here. So I've gone to videos here, okay? So the latest video I just uploaded, let me tap on that, the latest video right here. So I'll tap on the latest video. So this will give you more advanced options rather than going the normal way. But if you are using the desktop and you open whatever it is, it will give you every feature at once. So if you're someone who is using a smartphone and you want to make more income, this is what is going to help you. So now that we've opened, this is the content, right? This is the content. So what we'll do here is to come here and tap on the money sign, the dollar sign over there. If you tap on the dollar sign, that is where the monetization is. They'll ask you to monetize your video in multiple ways. So you come here and tap on manage mid-rolls. So if I tap on manage mid-rolls, it will give me an option to add so many adverts or adverts that can run on the channel. So currently you can see that I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4 adverts on this particular channel. So if I want to add one more advert, I can just come here. You can zoom in sometimes because of the smartphone, so it will not be showing that well. But you can zoom in and do a lot of things. So see, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and all that. So all you have to do is to just come here and tap on add. So have you seen that I tapped on ad break and another advert has added it to it here. So meaning now the advert has 10 to 5. So I just want only 4. So I'm still going to delete this. So this is not supposed to be part. So if you are someone who wants to increase your income on YouTube, but you don't have a laptop, you are just doing the whole thing on your smartphone, this is how you can actually do it. Since you've watched this video till the end, let me use this opportunity to show you something else. So let me go back. So if I go back, still on the video that I've selected, which is the video you watch I uploaded before this particular video, you can add end screen with your smartphone. You can also add subtitles with your smartphone. You can also add cards with your smartphone. Now let me explain these three very quickly. Now the first one, which is the type subtitle, is the one that if you are watching videos, then you'll be seeing captions at the down over there at once. And this one, which is the end screen, is the one that after the video finish, let's say after this video has finished, you see other videos on the screen before the whole thing will be over. That's the end screen. Then the cards is sometimes if you're watching videos, then you see some black, recommendation. They'll be recommending you to another video and all that. That's how you can use your smartphone to run all this. So this video is not just about the monetization, it has also taught you other things. I believe this short video has been helpful to you guys. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. But before I end, I would like to say that you can't enjoy this if your videos are not up to 8 minutes. You must at least reach 8 minutes before you can actually take advantage of this opportunity. So that's it, guys. But if you are running it on your laptop, it's easier, as I said at the beginning of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.